Good morning everyone, I'm Farida Dhambolawala and I'm the CEO and founder of Innov8 Tech Education Services. We're located in Dubai, Barsha 1. We established 3 years ago in 2019. The reason that we started this company was because I used to be an educational, I used to work in schools as a teacher, as a leader, and I realized that there was a gap in the curriculum in terms of integrating technology, and this is when we started this company with the initiative to basically integrate technology into the curriculum to allow children to have hands-on learning opportunities, be able to deliver their life skills and be able to deliver 21st century skills. One of the things that we do and that we specialize in is STEAM concepts. So all of our products that we use, whether they are robotics, whether they are 3D printing pens, electronics, it doesn't really matter. We kind of fish out what the best or the latest ed tech is in the market at the time, and we integrate that according to the school's budget and the school's needs as well. What we do as well is we show schools how they can actually integrate the science, the technology, the engineering and the arts and the maths as an interdisciplinary and a transdisciplinary, using a transdisciplinary approach. And the reason for this is because it's important for children to be able to make the connections in their learning rather than learning as individual subjects. We also specialize in workshops for adults, parents and students, so we want to obviously cater to all stakeholders. We offer workshops in design thinking. We've recently launched the HP STEAM Expo Innovation Award in partnership with HP, which links to the Expo 2020 sub-themes of mobility, opportunity and sustainability. It allows the students to basically solve a real-world problem and find innovative solutions. They work in teams, so they obviously develop their collaboration skills, their communication skills as well. The competition will be launched, the competition final showcase will be on the 15th of January. You can apply for the competition through our website, www.innov8tech.me. You can find more details obviously in the description of this video as well with regards to how to register. The competition will be held at Radisson Red in Dubai Silicon Oasis and will be attended by the VIP delegates as well as industry specialists. The winner of that competition will win a HP internship where HP will then support you to develop that idea and take it to market.